Hello.
Morning.
New vlog.
New vlog.
Spain.
I mean, I'm not sure we should give away all my secrets, but
I still don't get why your passport is under the bed.
because this is my box of all important things, which when I moved back in here went under the bed.
Wait, there's dogs outside. Where are they? There they are. Ah. Oh. He just jumped up. So we're nearly packed. All we got to do now is pack Euros, your toiletries.
Yeah.
My bag is there, all packed and ready to go. This time we're travelling light, aren't we?
We are.
We're not going so crazy as we did in Florida.
Yeah, well, because in Florida it was included in our ticket price.
Yeah, that's true. We're going with EasyJet tomorrow. So, as a lot of people may know, EasyJet are very strict on what you can and can't bring.
You can't even take like overhead.
Yeah, overhead,
luggage without
overhead
paying for it?
carry-on. So we've decided to just take these small bags, which have been apparently officially
Approved.
for to be in the right measurements and stuff for EasyJet and Ryanair. Now
From TikTok shop.
From TikTok shop. Now, if we get there, because I've heard some horror stories of people getting there, putting their bag in the little measurement thing, and then them still trying to charge them. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen tomorrow, especially at 7 in the morning.
Yeah.
We're going to pack these up. That's not going right. What's all that?
That's just the washing that I haven't sorted out yet.
Ah, okay.
But I needed to move it away from things I was packing, so it just went on the floor.
Okay. So it's just this stuff now then, really?
Yeah.
Alright. We're getting there. Is it going to go?
It's gonna go.
Is it going to go?
It's gonna go.
Okay. What? Why have you just got one comb?
Because I use it to part. I don't actually use the comb end.
By the way, if you can hear a ticking noise, it's the fan over there, which we've just had to turn off because we're filming. It will be going straight back on when we finish because it's very, very hot today. It's like 29 degrees. But it's going to be like over 30 when we get to Spain.
It is. I'm gonna die. Oh, medication. That reminds me.
Medication.
Medication.
So is that good? Are we good?
Well, you're taking your phone charger.
Yeah.
So mine. So in the morning it'll just be my phone
Yeah.
and medication.
Yeah.
And I think.
And
we're done.
toothbrushes.
I've already got a toothbrush in.
Okay.
Because I have my travel one.
So just mine in the morning and then we're good.
Yeah.
This is a lot easier than Florida. I'm still worried about EasyJet trying to screw us over though and say that it's over much.
You said you took your other bag and it was fine.
I did take my bigger bag before, but I don't know, I wasn't hearing stories about them being dicks. So as much back then. We look really, really tight. Oh my god, look at the bags under my eyes. It's
This is why I kept my glasses on.
That's a good idea. The reason why we look tired is because we've just done 2 nights of a wrestling show. We did a ring rental at New Wave Wrestling in Cardiff on Friday and Saturday. So we're very, very tired because we've been doing that for the whole weekend.
Yeah.
And then we got home at like 1 a.m. and then we were up at 6 or half 5 to come to the airport. We don't need to put any bags in because we're just travelling with carry-on. And
the aim of this holiday was to travel as cheap as possible.
Cheap and as light as possible. So we literally have
Dora the Explorer backpack.
2 backpacks, 2 Dora the Explorer backpacks, and that's it. So we don't have to go to bag drop, so that's all sorted. We've already got our boarding passes on the phone, so we can just go straight to security. A little bit smaller than Heathrow, isn't it?
It is, but it's alright. scary.
Davidoff.
It's Davidoff, babe.
I thought it was Davidoff.
It's Davidoff.
I've always called it Davidoff.
Why would it be Davidoff?
Well, I don't know. But all of these for 19 quid.
Yeah, you have that one though.
Do I have this one?
You have.
Where is this one? I do have this one.
It's on your dresser. But it was too big to bring.
Ah, right. What's this one? Diesel. I haven't had a coffee in a while.
Alright, James.
We are at, what's this place called? Tortilla. Hurricane Tortilla. So what have you gone for?
I went to Soho Coffee and got a chocolate twist.
No, what's the verdict?
I'd give it 2 out of 5 stars. It'd be so much better if it was more.
Yeah.
It's not the one this morning.
I went for a latte and bacon, black beans, egg, and smashed avocado. Problem is, I'm not that hungry. Are you that hungry?
Now I'm eating this, I don't want it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try it. I'm literally just eating this just to try and wake myself up because I'm so tired. The bags under my eyes are unbelievable. As you would have seen from that very, very piss poor introduction we did earlier, because we forgot to do one yesterday. We were gonna vlog from yesterday, weren't we? From the ring rentals, but we just completely forgot to vlog the day before this. So it was going to be a double ring rental and Spain trip vlog, but now it's just going to be a Spain vlog, isn't it? So yeah, we're going to have this breakfast. Our gate, has it come up yet? Can you just snap your arm? No, it's on the next page. Our gate information should be coming up any second now. Oh, here we go. Boarding at gate 11. Is that boarding now? Alright, we better smash these down and go to gate 11. Sound. So we will catch up with you on the plane. Hello. How are you? You okay? Yeah. Valerie.
Nice to meet you.
good pizza place.
Arrive at your destination.
They always tell me I'm arriving at the school. They don't tell me anywhere else.
But I can set your home to actually out by your house.
Yeah, I want to
And
do
then
that.
you can be, it'll take you straight there. Not that you need to know where to go for it, but
You've got to go slow.
yeah.
Cats just walk up.
Yeah, I bet there's a lot of cats around.
Yeah, a lot of people got them though, they look after them. Someone run it over and left it in the street.
Aww.
And the side puts his chuck on the side of the road. And then he had operated and apparently gave us too much anaesthetic.
Poor girl.
And lost a bit of sight.
Boop.
I'm wearing a lot up here, you see it, yeah. Covers your neck as well. Are you filming what now?
Vlogs. The vlog.
Oh, right. Over here?
Yeah.
Jumping in the pool?
Here's the wave. There you go. Story then. Oh, for God's sake.
Why are you?
There we go.
What does
Is
it
this
matter?
upside down?
Yeah.
Or the right end?
What does it matter? Is that my
likes it.
t-shirt?
Yeah.
The one I gave you? Yeah, thought so.
Well, I've used
Right.
it as a pajama top, but it,
It's quite, yeah, it better be quite nice for
Yeah.
this kind of thing. And on the beach.
yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to have a beer. Or
Okay,
whatever.
I'm gonna
I'll
get
be
in the
up there
pool.
when you want one. I'll get you one then.
Alright. We made it.
We made it.
We're here in Spain. It is 38 degrees. I think 38 degrees. It's
Toasty.
very, very warm, but it's still more manageable than in the UK.
Yeah.
In the UK, it was what, 28, 29, and it was horrible. This is manageable. You can stand out here and be okay.
Yeah.
We've met up with my dad. We're at my dad's place now. This is where he lives. Amazing. Been in the pool, haven't we?
Yeah.
Had a nice dip in the pool, and now we're just gonna have a drink at the clubhouse and go and get some showers and then head out for a nice Chinese, a succulent Chinese meal. Yeah, we haven't really been vlogging much today because it's just been too,
Catching up with your dad.
and just flies everywhere, just too relaxing to do anything. But yeah, we will pick up the vlog even more tomorrow because we're out doing more stuff tomorrow. So yeah, so let's go and have a drink.
Les said he's going, do you think?
Well, I'm assuming he is because
I thought he said he's picking John up.
yeah, he asked us if we're driving down.
Oh, do it, John.
Because
Not long.
I
Not
said-
long.
I said we were going to the Chinese first,
Yeah.
and then he was okay. Is it more expensive to be closer to the pool and stuff then?
No.
You got lucky there then.
Yeah. What a good deal.
Because if you want peace and quiet, you want to be down here.
Nice hurricane.
Are you filming me right now?
Yeah.
Why? This is going to be chins galore. at this
Because
moment.
we need vlog footage. We haven't got anything. Getting ready for. That's better lighting wise. You can actually see now?
Yeah, but it was better when I couldn't see.
If you viewers, if you can hear that, that's my father singing in the shower. And yeah, we're about to go and have a Chinese, and then we're going to go to a bar called Pepe John's. Is he called it? Pepe John's, something like that, for karaoke. Last time I did karaoke was on the cruise ship, which you wouldn't have seen it by now, unless you're watching this after the cruise vlog comes out. Then you would have seen it, but it's not released at this moment. But I don't know if I'm going to put it in yet or not because I'm not a fan of how I sounded. You said I sounded okay,
Yeah.
but I don't think I sounded that great. But we're going to do karaoke tonight. My dad's already started, as you can hear. But I might need to shave my head actually. I definitely need to shave my face. So as soon as he's done in the shower, I'll shave my face. I am so hungry. Are you
Me
hungry?
too. Yeah.
I think it's hit me now how
I've
hungry
never
I
got
am.
ready so quick. So I'm like, let's go.
Like it's really hit me now how hungry I am. So let's go get some food. So this is my dad's place. Little kitchen, bathroom and bedrooms are down there. Living room, and this is Miss Poppy. Hello, Miss Poppy. How are you? Poppy is blind, or a good bit of blind, we think. But she's also very sweet. Oh, kisses as well. Thank you. Whoever invented air conditioning is a genius.
I'm just going to stand under it.
It's amazing. Actually, me and my dad just looked it up. It was a guy called Will Carriers in 1907. It was,
What did I say I was going to look up on a plane?
I forgot. So this is the front deck. Got a little bit of a Porsche balcony area here. And just check out this view. It is unreal. And we got a vineyard here, so plenty of wine. Yeah, just a nice little nook in the south coast of Spain. It's 39.5 degrees and it is 7 p.m. Actually it's past 7 p.m. That is ridiculous.
You was the shape the poets in the streets. I hope it's gonna make you notice.
It's been so long. Oh, and it's a hard feeling when it comes down to dealing friends. It never ends. Take it. Man, I feel. Oh, so do I.
You have to face this way.
Let's go, girls.
There you go.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy, 'cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anywhere the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. To me. Go on. Woo! Mama, carry on, carry on. Nothing really matters.
Sorry, I apologise.
I can't sing.
Too late, my time is gone. Send shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave it all behind. Face through. Easy come, easy go. Will you let me go? Bismillah, no. Will not let you go. Bismillah, will not let you go. Bismillah, will not let you go. Will not let you go. Will never, never let me go. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. So you think you can stone me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, can't do this to me, baby. Just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here. Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Everyone. Nothing really matters to me. Thank you very much.
Day number 1 finished. We swam the pool, we went to have a Chinese, and then we went to a bar called Pepe's for some karaoke. I will put some footage. Oh, there's a dog going crazy. They're going a bit mad. I'll stick some footage, maybe, of the karaoke, because I don't know how good it's going to be until I look it back. Yeah, we had a good night. Drank more than I thought I would go into, but other than that, very, very good night. Very good first day, and it's still 26 degrees, and it's nearly 2 a.m. So it's still very, very warm. We're going to go to bed now, have some sleep, because we really, really, really need it, and get up in the morning and go into town to start day number 2. So until then, on behalf of Larry, who is in there getting ready for bed, I'll see you tomorrow. Morning. It's day 2. We're having breakfast. It's so hot. But again, what is it, 35, and it's about 10:30 to 11 a.m. It was a tough sleep last night. It was really, really, really warm, very toasty, no oxygen, but we made it. I've got a very, very big headache today, but I think it's a mixture between the sun and the many beers I had. I don't usually drink that much. I shouldn't have drank that much in this heat. I'm not going to be drinking again now. But you know, it's the first night here, so, and karaoke when in Rome, innit? So we're having breakfast. I've got some Special K with fruit. Harry's gone for some toast. So we're going to have this breakfast and then we're going to go to somewhere, a town, California. California. Let's call it California.
There's a shop.
Oh, is it? Oh, I don't know.
They have in France too.
Do they? Oh, I did not know that. Yeah, we're going to go there, have a look around, maybe get my dad a new phone, and then have some lunch. Right, let's eat this breakfast and get ready. It is currently almost 39 degrees. It's a toasty one, and I think it's getting hotter again later on today. It's been a bit of a struggle, I won't lie to you. I'm not going to sit here and pretend that we've dealt with the heat very, very well. We haven't. Last night sleeping was a bit of a challenge, to say the least. It was just very, very warm and very, very sweaty. Sticky is the word I would use. Sticky. We've got fans, so it kind of helps, but there's a point when you're trying to sleep where it's just nothing's helping and you're just so warm and sweaty and you just can't fall back to sleep. And of course that makes you tired the next day, so, and obviously quite a few beers I had last night definitely didn't help that, because all that does is dehydrate me. So just need a lot of water. I've had a cold shower, that's woken me up. Shaved my head a bit, just make myself feel a bit more human. Have a lot more water throughout the day, I should be good to go. So yeah, we're gonna head into town now. Oh, nice.
Up there.
Lizard.
Yes.
Oh, that's weird. This is just open. It's just a net. Like, well, this is a shop, but it's all open to this bit. That's your shop. Lefties.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
The Leftorium. So what are we trying to do?
Trying to print a photo.
We're trying to print a photo for my dad, who is adamant that he wants it. But this Kodak machine thing here, we've tried 3 times now and it just isn't working. And obviously most things are in Spanish too, and we do not speak Spanish, so who would have thought? Spanish in Spain. So we're going to try and download.
Still seems to shock your dad.
Huh?
Still seems to shock your dad when everything's in Spanish.
Yeah, it does. Even though he's lived here for 7 or 8 years.
Right, I can't find the right app.
Kodak Moments.
Well, there's Kodak Photo Printer, Step Prints, Kodak Smile, Kodak Digital Frame.
We're back. Well, we got back from shopping a while ago, and it's, as you can probably hear, it's extremely windy. The wind's picked up, but we're still getting in the pool, aren't we? Yeah, this wind is very strong at the moment, but we're still going to go for it. Oh yeah, pool to ourselves. So this is the pool area. There's no one at the bar. Oh, there's one person. A couple of people. Cacti. So how are you enjoying your trip so far?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm looking forward to doing stuff tomorrow, because tomorrow we decided we're going to go, maybe go to a beach somewhere, or maybe go on a walk to like this mountainous area. I don't even know if you can hear me with all this wind, but yeah, tomorrow will be more of a vloggy day, I feel.
Yeah.
Especially, because we're actually doing more stuff. Let's get in the pool.
Yeah.
I'm playing mermaids. You could be the blue one.
We're in the pool. It's nice, isn't it?
It's so
Even though it's a little bit, dare I say it, a little bit nippy.
It's not. It's not at all.
But outside of the pool, it's like insanely hot. So even with this wind, it's still what, 39 degrees?
Yeah.
But the wind is like, the wind is hot too, isn't it?
Yeah. There's no breeze.
There's no breeze. The breeze is like flames. If we were at home in the shit and horrible, in the pouring down rain and everything else, we'd be complaining. So yeah, we got to enjoy it while we can. Yeah, as we said, we're going to be going to a beach tomorrow, and then maybe
Drifting away.
drifting away. And I saw earlier on like this walk along this. It's like a gorge. It's like a small. What's it called? It's like a small Grand Canyon along a really nice river.
It's like a canyon.
A canyon, yeah. Just a really nice trail. I wouldn't mind checking that out. Maybe Wednesday if we can.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a person that goes on holiday and just stays in the same place. I like to explore and travel around a bit, check out what's around. It's not like I'm not saying drive 4 hours to Portugal, but
You literally would say that.
I mean, honestly, if we had our own car, what is that over there with the massive wings?
I think it's
like a flying ant. Ugh. If we had our own car, I'd be driving everywhere. I'd be going to Portugal, I'd be going up the coast.
Yeah.
But we don't have a car. We're going to borrow my dad's possibly tomorrow and Wednesday.
You said he might come with us. So.
He might come with us to the beach, yeah. But it'd be nice just to explore that town as well.
Yeah.
I can't remember what town he said it was.
There was a lot of things happening.
Yeah, I've just spent about an hour and a half setting up his new phone, because when we got here, he was like, oh, can you check out my phone, because it's making a weird sound and it's buzzing all the time. So I looked at it. It was the oldest, most ancient phone in the world, and he said he got it, 7 years ago, something like that. And it wasn't the greatest phone in the world anyway.
I mean,
so.
This was wrong with it, so I had that repaired.
He's had so many repairs done to it. I was like, Dad, just get a new phone. So we went into town today, we got him a new phone. So we spent the last hour and a half sorting out all the apps and transferring all of his stuff over. Ordering him a new case for his iPad, because that case looked like it had been blown up in war. It was just awful. So, Dad, just buy new stuff, for God's sake. I'm kind of like the tech guru for my family, aren't I? Like, if there's anything needed to do with phones or iPads or laptops or passwords, I'm the one they call. So it is stressful, but also I kind of, for my own thing, I have to do it. I have to get it sorted because it bugs me otherwise. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy the last hour or so in the pool, I think. Get dried off, have a shower, and then we're going to go and have some food.
Yeah.
I can't remember what we said we were going.
I just agreed in the end.
We looked at so many. Bar Flores, was it? I can't remember what the food was like. We'll check it out.
Yeah.
There's bound to be something we can eat.
Yeah.
Let's swim.
I can just about stand right here. It's memory.
Good start.
How many attempts? That's 2. I mean, the third time luck is being optimistic.
Oh, wow.
One eternity later.
Take your time. I mean, I hit it.
Right, now you got to pot it.
I'm so good at it.
Hey! We did it.
How many attempts?
6,000. Morning. It is day 3, I think, and we are gonna go to the beach today. We just had a breakfast. It is about 10 AM, I believe. So we're gonna head to a beach about an hour away and just have a chill day. Hopefully get some swimming done, because I haven't been in the sea yet this summer. Well, I say this summer, since the weather got nicer. Haven't been in the sea yet. So our first time in the sea will be in Spanish waters. So as I said, it's about an hour drive, just a little bit, just a tad over an hour or so. Hopefully it won't be too crazy tourist wise, because the beach we're going to apparently is like a bit more of a touristy area. But I'm looking forward to actually going to like a holiday destination here, because obviously where my dad lives isn't really holiday central or anything like that. So yeah, it'd be a nice change of pace. It's gonna be a bit busier, a bit more lively. We'll do some exploring, see what we can find. You look tired,
I am a little bit tired.
but we're going to the beach.
Yeah. There's somebody was shouting all night.
Yes,
The cat.
the cat. Yeah, not someone
Cat
else.
will not shut up.
Would not be quiet all night.
And I usually sleep through anything, so
Yeah, you do.
so you know it's bad if I'm awake.
Well, get in the mountains.
See that Indian man?
Oh,
you take
yeah.
one of him after. Not from this angle.
What now?
The Indian chief, I said. the
Yeah,
first one.
I got
Did
it.
you get that?
I did,
'Cause that
yeah.
was the best angle you had. It's not the same here, look.
Yeah.
It's a really good angle, that other one. You wouldn't think it was the same place.
So which way did? Everybody alive out there! We went to see the Titanic exhibition in Florida.
Yeah.
It was next to our hotel. We touched a piece of the Titanic. It was awesome.
Actual piece.
Yeah. And they had like a massive fake wall of ice, and you touched it, and that was the temperature of the water
Well, they're saying
that night.
Right, they're saying the flag is around here, but this isn't where they want to go.
Oh, we'll have to get a fridge magnet.
You will. I saw a couple of shops.
Yeah. Because I don't think there's going to be any up where my dad lives. I know, I should really. I'll just keep putting cream on. Put some oil on your head, you don't want to burn it. Yeah.
Let's just keep trying some time on the okay,
I think there's some empty there. Sand is hot, isn't it? Sorry?
Pigeon.
Oh yeah. Hello, pigeon. Did you go pigeon? Pig-eon.
Are we giving my peak pictures away for free?
We are. I'll blur them out,
Okay.
and then if you want to see these unblurred, sign to my OnlyFans. All good? Let's go get ice cream, shall we?
Ice cream. This work is sponsored just by tips.
Oh, that's cool.
There's Instagrams on there. There's a little Insta show.
Check out the Instagram. What do you think?
I'm assuming at night the cameras are like that.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's good thinking.
Are they minion?
Gracias. All good?
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up and put my card away.
You up?
I put my card away.
Oh.
Say hello.
Hello. Hola. Poppy. It's open for you.
Hello.
Pops.
Should still be in the shed.
Popalicious.
Pop it on.
You go in.
Want to come for a curry?
I'm going to close this door.
Oh. She went. Where are we going?
For a curry.
We're going for a curry. I'm going down Days for a curry.
In not the Auntie Clara, the other one.
Is it? I thought it was Antikythera.
No, Antikythera is where we've been. We're going the other way.
We were in towards Malaga earlier.
Yeah, but Antikythera is the town where we've been for food every night. Hello.
Right.
Let's just go.
You
Yeah.
won't be long this.
Smells good.
Hola.
Hola.
Alright, how are you doing?
Inside or outside?
Inside, please. Hello.
What then?
Oh, my face looks quite tanned.
It does. For me, I look tanned.
Mm.
I'm still very pale.
Here's the cat. It's day 3?
Day 3.
Yeah, day 3.
Day 3.
We had... Oh. She's rolling around. What did we do last night? We had Indian.
Oh, that was really good.
Really, really good.
So
Don't lick my toes. It's a cat, not Valerie. Had a really nice Indian last night. The naan bread was
phenomenal.
so good. And then we just came back and chilled, didn't we? Because
We did.
we're very tired.
Yeah.
We've actually, this is meant to be a chilled holiday, but we've actually done quite a lot.
We have.
So, yeah, we just came back and chilled last night. Today won't be chill.
No.
We've got a long walk ahead of us.
Mhm.
So we're going to the, what was it called?
I have absolutely no idea.
I can't remember what it's called, but it's like basically like a gorge, canyon type thing, and you get a guided walk along the side of the canyon. It's about 4 miles long, isn't it? Something like that.
Yeah. They
So-
say it takes about 2 hours.
About 2 hours walk. So we're going to go there and see some unbelievable views and scenery. I just like exploring and doing that kind of thing. And we're about to go to the shop. Well, I'm about to go to the shop. You're going to stay and chill.
Well, get ready, because
Get ready.
this is
and
not ready for the day.
pick up some water and some snacks for the day, because we're going to need it, I think. Yeah, we're going to head down there about, was it 1 o'clock we said?
Yeah, so we'll leave here at 1.
Maybe we should get a little bit of lunch first. Do you think?
Maybe, yeah.
Just so we're like got energy ready for the
Yeah.
thing. Okay, I'll see what I can pick up in the shop. But until then... Puppy. She's been very cute today. I think it's because she wanted to make up for being very, very, very annoying
Yeah.
not the night before last.
Yeah. She didn't shout as much.
She didn't shout last night, no. Only for food this morning.
Which is understandable. I'd
Yeah.
shout for food if I was hungry.
Me too. I always shout for food.
There.
1.5 kilometres.
Alright.
1,500 metres to the entrance. Oh, there's so many stickers. I should have brought the stickers.
What was that?
Dragonfly it was. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Careful. That's the 5th time you've nearly tripped over. Watch your step.
hard.
You do. Oh. Keep going, keep going. Do not stop. Maximum 10. There was definitely more than 10 on that bridge though.
Whatever food we eat tonight, we win.
Oh, 100%. Without a doubt. I want to jump in that water so bad. Look at the difference in colour. Green up here and blue over here. Yeah, and the algae. Algae. Hey, boo boo. I am ready for aircon. I don't care if it sounds like first world problems. Are you?
I'm really flat to sit down.
Sit down, aircon, and jump in the pool. That's what I want to do.
Yes.
The second quiz, prizes, and I think that's it. We must be coming to the end now.
We're back from food. Look how good the quality is on a phone now, look.
Yeah. I noticed mine was.
Although the lighting is good too.
Yeah.
Back from food. Well, we came back from the walking excursion thing. Very, very cool. Obviously, you'll see some footage in here, but we're back. We went for some lovely food. We had some pizza, which was gorgeous. Homemade pizza. Really, really cheap too. Really good. Like for 3 of us, it was like €27. Really, really good. So we're heading up to the bar now, where there's a quiz. We're a bit late to join it, but we're still going to go in, play a few rounds of pool, have a drink, see what happens.
Well, it was, and we'd all play, but, well, my older cousins would play.
Oh! You shocked yourself then, didn't you?
Where's this coming from?
What's going on? Where was this yesterday? Or day before, whenever it was. Probably the most you've potted in your life. Oh. You did?
I'll say nothing. I'll say absolutely.
No, she stay there.
Mango.
You're gonna be famous.
Mango, you're going to be on YouTube.
I know.
Mango. Hello. Yeah. Where's he sleep then? Big yawn.
Tired boy. Are we keeping you up? Let's have a wash.
That's it. We're back. We're back at my dad's house. Got a little bit of a tan going on here. Not too bad at all. But yeah, we had a decent night. We went for food, as I said earlier. We went for some food. Went up to the pool house, clubhouse, pub, whatever you want to call it, on the park where my dad lives. Played some pool, had a couple of drinks, had some ice cream. Nice last night, nice chilled last night. So we are due to wake up in about 6.5 hours-ish. We have to leave the airport about 8 o'clock, 8 AM. Hopefully get there about 9, ready for our flight at 10:30. We haven't got any bags, we don't have to check any bags or anything, so we can just go straight up to security and not worry about checking any bags. I've already checked in online, so we're all good there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it'll be nice and straightforward as it was coming out here, which was pretty stress-free. But all in all, it's been a really, really nice 4-day holiday. Nice and short. Obviously nothing too crazy. We needed this break. We really, really did. We needed a few days away. But it's back to it when we get back straight away. As soon as we land, got to drive back down to my flat. I got blood tests the next day, and then straight after that, it's go time for the next VCW show, which is in Ringland on Sunday, June 29th. All systems go, all steam ahead for that as soon as we get back. But until then, I am going to go and sleep. As you can probably see by the bags under my eyes, I'm extremely tired. So, time to hit the sack, bedtime, and I will catch up with you tomorrow when we're on our way to the airport. Morning. It's a glorious morning here. It's about 8, just before 8 AM, and we're getting ready to go to the airport. Saying goodbye to this beast. Bye bye, Poppy. Bye bye. She doesn't look like she's meowing all night keeping us awake, does she? Oh god, I look haggard.
You look a little bit tired.
I look very tired. I need to moisturise myself. We had a good time. Nice few days away. And now we got the long trip home. So, oh, hello. Where are you going? Drive about an hour to the airport now. Flight at 20 to 11.
I think so.
Yeah.
I just rely on you for flight times.
Yeah, 10:40, 2 and a bit hour flight home. Catch a bus from from Bristol Airport to Cardiff, and then Larry's mum will pick us up in Cardiff. It's back to Caerphilly, and that'll be that.
Yep.
And then we're going to drive back to the flat. So, a lot of travelling today.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big travel day, and then we can just chillax and do whatever tonight, because we haven't got anything to do tonight, have we?
No.
So, we'll relax tonight, and
Have some
then
food.
have some food. And then tomorrow, I've got to go to the hospital for an appointment. And then we start the crazy weekend.
Back to work.
Back to work. We've got a show on Sunday in Ringland for VCW. That one there. And, yeah, back to reality. But,
There goes gravity.
oh, there goes gravity. Yo. Anyway, let's get going. do you feel? Happy to be home?
Yeah.
But also,
Happy if we were just getting in a car and going.
yeah, we got to catch a bus now, but still, at least now we've got some time, we can chill, get something to eat. And look, there is no one. We're coming off the plane by ourselves. It's lovely. So we just stopped for a little bit of lunch. I've gone for a ham, cheese and onion toastie, and Larry has a sausage back with red sauce.
Red sauce.
So we're going to eat this and then wait for the bus, which should be directly out there. This could be our bus. We're meant to be with Flixbus, but we have been told that it's not going to be a Flixbus, so it might be Megabus. No, that's Plymouth.
I think we are.
Yeah, Flixbus down there. Cymru coaches. Right, let's get past these people.
You know when Bernadette, when she moves into not really, no. I better stop watching.
Hola.
We're home.
We're home.
It wasn't a long trip.
No, it was 4 days, but it,
It felt like a long trip.
especially coming back.
Yeah, we had a bit of an issue coming back with Flixbus. So when we landed, we arranged a Flixbus from Bristol Airport to Cardiff, and then from Cardiff, Larry's mum was going to pick us up. Perfect. We get a message as we land from Flixbus saying, your scheduled bus is not going to be a Flixbus, it is going to be a third-party bus. Blah, blah, blah. So we're like, okay, whatever, fair enough. Turned out to be Cymru coaches, was it?
Yeah.
Obviously something had happened. The driver said the Flixbus had broken down somewhere, so they had booked a Cymru's coach bus to take it over.
Which, fair enough.
Whatever. We get on said bus. Aircon isn't working, first of all. Well, no, actually, first of all, we get on. We paid extra to have our seats, to book seats, specific seats on the bus. We get on the bus. No one has listened or adhered to that, and everyone is just kind of sat wherever they want. So in our seats, there's a couple. In their seats, there's a couple, and it was just like a rolling hill of people are sat in our seats, so we sat here, people are sat in our seats, blah, blah, blah. So we realised very quickly that people aren't adhering to their booked seats, so we kind of just got to sit anyway. And the first seats we chose, the seat itself was like broken, wasn't it? It was coming off the frame, so we couldn't sit there. Finally, we find some seats. All the seats are kind of like stuck in the recline position, so it's not very comfortable. There's no aircon, and the driver's just kind of didn't really care, did he? He just kind of like, alright, let's go. Shouted to put the seat belts on. Larry's seatbelt didn't work. Like, literally wouldn't come out far enough to click in.
And I'm not the biggest person in
No,
the world, so
no.
I was like,
Yeah.
okay.
So that was a bit of that. At the end of the day, that's a safety issue.
Yeah.
And it was just a bit of a disappointing trip as a whole, wasn't it? Like, there was stops in Newport that weren't advertised. Like, we were told it was going straight through to Cardiff.
And then when we did stop in Newport, he was like, right, it's 2 minutes, nothing. Like, if you're not back in 2 minutes, I'm going.
Yeah.
5 minutes later, no sign of the driver.
Yeah, he was like, if you want to get off and get some fresh air, you got 2 minutes. We didn't bother, did we? So, but yeah, 5 minutes went past, no sign of the driver, so we left late there. It's just not very nice experience as a whole. So, Flixbus will be getting a strongly worded letter and a request for a full refund, because even if it's not a full refund, we should get a refund for the seat request.
Yeah.
Because we didn't get the seats that we asked for. So, yeah, that's going to be happening. But other than that, we had 4 days away in Spain, so we can't really complain too much. But we didn't get much sleep, purely because it was just way too, no, I can't say too hot, that sounds like
Yeah,
silly.
but it was very, very hot.
It was very, very hot, so it was quite uncomfortable to sleep, because we were sleeping in my dad's living room on 2 settees, and my dad's cat was screaming pretty much every night, all night, which, you know, it's a cat, whatever. But so we've come back actually a little bit more tired than we left, I think, when it was meant to be a nice, relaxing 4 days away. But ultimately, we got to go to Spain for very,
Enough
very,
good
very
time.
cheap.
Yeah.
So, yeah, all in all, I'd say an 8 out of 10, 7 out of 10 trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've got...
Okay, so you're so sorry. I have to cut that bit out.
So we've got our show, VCW, on Sunday, and until then we've got a few days of prep. We're going to have to... That's what we're at the office for now. We're prepping all of the merch and doing all the paperwork and sending out emails and that kind of thing ready for the show. And then, yeah, we'll be good to go. Then it's back to preparation for the big August 3rd show. Because we haven't got anything in July. I purposely didn't schedule anything in July because the August show is going to be so big that we need all of that time to prep for it. So yeah, touch wood, all of that goes well. Oh, we've got to put those banners up.
We do.
We've got to put those
Could do
banners
that
up.
tomorrow morning.
So we got banners for the August 3rd show that need to go up in and around Caerphilly, which we'll probably do at some point in the next few days. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this little mini... You're yawning again.
I know, I'm really trying not to. I'm so sorry.
I hope you enjoyed this little mini 4-day holiday vlog thing. It's a little different from other ones I know. Maybe not as exciting as the Florida one, because there wasn't obviously not anywhere near as much activity going on. Please leave any comments and likes and subscribes and all of that jazz all below. Let us know if you enjoy this stuff. Let us know what you think we can improve on, because we are a very young, new channel and we're learning as we go. So please let us know what you think we can improve on, and we'll do our best to do it. So until then, bye.
Adios.
What's that mean?
Goodbye.
Oh, in Spanish.